so excited. This is the moment. Let's open the box and take a look. Oh my goodness. They're here. I'm so excited. Oh, I haven't just waited just while I've been writing. This is 20 years in the making of homeschooling my own kids so that I could bring this to you. You've prayed with me, rooted me on, cheered me on during this process. Thank you so much. You have a hand in this. And now I just can't wait for it to get into your hands and have a roadmap that actually helps you homeschooling. This is what 20 years of homeschooling looks like. Homeschooling my two boys, barn mornings, all their activities, from kindergarten all the way through high school graduation, getting them ready for college. It's all in here. And I hope it helps everybody else. Hope it's for the mama that's sitting at her kitchen table wondering if she can do this. Yes, you can. You can. And I'm going to be right there with you every step of the way. There is so much free information out there, voices, opinions. The Homeschool Roadmap will bring you clarity instead of confusion, bring you calm instead of overwhelm, and give you a pathway to successfully homeschooling your children, finding what works, what rhythm works for your family. And the best part is, this isn't the end, it's only the beginning of helping so many families. This is more than just a book, it's a mission. Okay, I'm gonna sit with this for a few minutes. My book releases March 24th. It walks you step by step on how to build this foundation. For more intentional tips, strategies, and resources, continue following Homeschool with Maggie O.